this video, the very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Gmail app. After you open up your Gmail app, go ahead and click on Compose. Then go ahead and enter the recipient email. Enter your subject. Then enter your message right here. Once you enter your mail, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here. Then go ahead and switch to confidential mode. Then go ahead and check your expire date. So you can either make it expire in 1 day, or expire in 1 week, or in 1 month, or in 3 months, or in 5 years. I'm going to put it expire in 1 day. Once you put in expire in 1 day, click on here and make sure you choose SMS passcode. Once you're done, go ahead and click on save right here. Now, here we go. You have it. Content expire October 19, 2025. Recipient won't have the option to forward, copy, print, or download the mail. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on send right here. And I click on send, and the message has been sent.